with Walker James Thompson. Now, WJT had his birthday last week right there, and love from Mimi and Papa's. He celebrates the big number 2 in Mound Valley.
Ellis Guffey celebrating birthday number 3 this year. Working on his writing skills with the big pencil.
It's a big pencil, that is for sure. Cohen Hemrick also celebrated a birthday over the weekend, now double digits. Cohen, a very happy 10th birthday to you.
All right, and Landon Schmilder, there he is, pictured with his little sister, turning 10 years old in Carl Junction.
A busy big brother he is. Paisley Quarter, she is now 11. I understand that she actually goes by Fred. And Fred, here's the deal. I understand that now that you're 11, you have challenged me to a game of bowling. Young ma'am, will take you up on that challenge someday. She probably averages like a 290 or something.
Probably gonna cream you on that.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Paisley, a happy birthday. I'm looking forward to it.
That's fun. Happy birthday, Paisley. And happy birthday going out to Briley Seacrest, who's now 13 years. Welcome to the teenage years in Joplin.
Katie Gath. Katie's celebrating number 22. Good looking picture right there. Katie, hope you have a marvelous birthday.
All right. Brandy Arbuckle Green celebrating birthday number 36 this year. Brandy is in Weir, Kansas.
Amy Moore is turning 38. Amy, a happy birthday coming from Kira and Ashley. And Amy is in Columbus.
All right. And turning the big 4-0, it's time to celebrate for Mary Bell. Looking great there, Mary.
Let's run out to McCune, where Travis Long is celebrating his 46th birthday. Travis, have a great birthday.
All right. And birthday wishes coming from the entire family. Indio Show, Terry McGuffey celebrating birthday number 60.
Cliff Budd is 61. Nice catch, Cliff. There we go. And Cliff, I want you to know that these birthday wishes come with love from the whole family. Mr. Cliff is in Liberal.
And celebrating 63 this year, Rick Harris. Happy birthday, Rick, in Jasper, Missouri.
Special birthday in Mulberry as Mavis Willis celebrates number 80 right there. Gorgeous smile, Miss Mavis. Happy birthday to you.
Great picture there, Mavis. And let's see, we got Lisa Lizat in Joplin. She would be, let's see, the lady there in the pink shirt, second up from the bottom. The other 3 there in the picture are her children. She's got obviously her hands full and her back as well. Happy birthday, Lisa.
All right, you can refer to this man as the Honorable. We got Jack Martin first. There's Mr. Jack. Now, Jack's birthday was last week, but since I just got wind of it, I said, you know what? We're going to close out the month of January celebrating Mr. Martin's birthday. How about that? Can we do that?
Yep.
All right, Jack, I got permission from Tanya right there. Happy birthday, Mr. Martin in Parsons.
All right, and
we all know that dude.
Crazy Legs Walker.
Like I said, you can call him the Honorable. He's the mayor of Route 66.
Yes, he is. And if you'd like to find him, you can find Dean hanging out on Rainbow Bridge or at the Route 66 Visitor Center in Baxter Springs. Why is he known as the mayor of Route 66, Michael?
Well, for those of you who have seen the movie Cars, you may know that Dean, who goes by Crazy Legs, has a special talent of being able to completely turn those legs around, and the inspiration for Tow Mater in the Cars movies. And a really cool dude to talk to.
That's right.
Super knowledgeable. Happy birthday, Dean.
All right.
Ron Downing.
Yeah.
Ron Downing. There he is. He's got a 75th birthday. Happy birthday, Mr. Downing. Lindy Schmelzer, turning 19. Lindy is in Columbus. And Denise Pointer, a happy birthday to Miss Denise from your husband, and also Michael, Sarah, Brandy, Jessica, Larissa, Cheyenne, and JJ. My goodness, Denise is going to have a busy birthday party. She's 58.
In Hannon, Missouri, Elmer Budd turning 65 years old, and Chandler Craze Welcome to the teenage years, 13 in Carl Junction.
Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
There's a certain pond up north that has thousands of people flocking to it, and I'm going to tell you why. Because COVID's put a lot on the shelf for safety purposes, but we've got a group of hockey players that decided, nah, we're headed out to the pond.